pugay ng mga benepisyaryo ng Gift of Education Scholarship Program o GOEF, si Reverend Dr. Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, ang founding president ng Jose Maria College Foundation Incorporated, sa pagbibigay sa kanila ng pagkakataong makapag-aral at makapagtapos sa prestihiyosong paaralan ng libre. Kabilang ang mga ito sa mahigit 1,000 estudyante na nagtapos mula sa grade school at senior high school na kinilala sa isinagawang commencement exercises sa Davao City. Ang mga J. Marian na ito ang bunga ng ACQ brand of education o ang assured, consistent at quality education na hatid ng JMCFI sa patnubay at gabay ng founding president nito. Isang espesyal na mensahe naman ang ipinaabot ni Reverend Dr. Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy na inihatid ni Dr. Marlon Rosete, isa sa mga Board of Administrator ng KOJC at SMNI President.
I stand before you today with great honor to deliver the heartfelt message of our founding President, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. He sends his deepest love, admiration, and blessings to each of you. Here is the message of our founding President, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy. And I quote, "To our grade school and senior high school graduates, you are the future of this nation, but you are also the present. Your voice matters now. Do not wait for the world to change. Be the ones who will change it. And remember, excellence without character is hollow. Intelligence without purpose is wasted. Use what you have learned to serve others. Defend the truth. Stand for what is right. And above all, never let fear dictate your path. Let purpose lead you. Let God guide you." As founding president of this institution, and as someone who has devoted my life to raising a generation of champions, I bless each one of you. You were born not to blend in. You were born to stand out. You were not shaped by comfort, but by fire. And from this fire, you have emerged stronger, bolder, and brighter. End of quote. On behalf of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy and with all the pride in our hearts, congratulations to all of you, J. Marian graduates. You are a generation refined by adversity. Now go and empower the world with your purpose. May the Almighty Father's blessings be upon all of you. Thank you.
Para sa mga scholar ng butihing pastor, mahalaga ito at malaking tulong upang maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay. Kaya naman hindi pinalampas ng mga nasabing scholar ang kanilang taus-pusong pasasalamat kay Pastor Kibuloy dahil sa tulong nito upang maabot ang kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay.
Hi Pastor, thank you for sending me to school and thank you for helping me go to school and thank you for helping me and my siblings and every GOEF here in JMC. Thank you, Pastor. We love you.
Hi, Pang. Thank you for sending me to school. Thank you for the privilege you gave us. And thank you for the scholarship. And thank you for all the good things you've done for us. And we miss you and always we love you, Pang. Thank you, Pang.
Thank you po kong pastor sa privilege na binigay mo. Ngayon gagamit na po kami. Thank you po. Itong honor ko po, bibigay ko po sa iyo. Thank you po. We love you.
Ilan lamang ang mga estudyanteng ito sa mga natulungan ng butihing pastor, hindi lamang sa kanilang edukasyon, kundi maging sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na mga pangangailangan, mula sa pagkain, bahay, damit, sa pangangalaga ng kanilang kalusugan, at iba pa. Isa sa mga advokasiyang isinusulong ni Pastor Kibuloy para sa mga mamamayang Pilipino ang pagbibigay ng dekalidad na edukasyon para sa lahat ng mga kabataan.
Thank you, Pastor, for a gift of education. We
para sa Diyos at sa Pilipinas kong mahal. Ito si Precious Alvarez, SMNI News.